Hi everyone, in this video I'll demonstrate how you can earn more than $1,000 monthly on YouTube with the help of ChatGPT, an incredible AI software that's gaining immense popularity worldwide. However, I'll also reveal a unique approach to utilizing this technology, similar to how other channels are leveraging it to generate thousands of dollars each month. I'm about to reveal the channel to you shortly. The most significant advantage of using this ChatGPT and YouTube approach is that you don't have to show your face. I'll demonstrate how ChatGPT can generate fantastic scripts for you and how to organize the video's layout without any manual input from you. You'll see how effortless it is to create these videos without doing any work. Check this out. This particular channel is generating up to $8,000 per month. But Social Blade displays a maximum of $4 CPMs. My estimation is that this channel's CPM is $15, indicating they make more than $20,000 monthly. Additionally, I'll reveal how you can maximize your earnings through affiliate marketing on these channels before you're monetized, without revealing your face. Furthermore, once we examine this channel, which I'll reveal shortly, you'll notice that some of their videos are receiving millions of views. For instance, this video has 18 million views, while another has 8.5 million and another has 5 million. Additionally, videos featuring push-ups are doing exceptionally well for them. This channel operates in the health and fitness niche, which is always in demand. For instance, this planking video has garnered 19 million views, while this jump rope video has 5.7 million views. The notable aspect of these videos is their duration, which is typically around 3-4 minutes. Creating videos using ChatGPT and the other software that I'll introduce in this video is incredibly simple, making it accessible to anyone worldwide. Additionally, push-up videos are a popular category that's performing exceptionally well, and I'll show you precisely how to create them. Please make sure to watch the entire strategy as it contains vital information. Skipping ahead could lead to missed details. In return, kindly hit the like button, and we'll proceed without delay. Now you might be curious as to why these diverse push-up videos are thriving. Before creating any of these videos, I conduct extensive research. One tool I use for this purpose is VidIQ, which you can access and download. VidIQ offers a free plan, which is quite generous, and as you start earning, you can upgrade to a paid plan. The good news is you can sign up for free, and the links to everything will be included in this video's description. However, what I want to highlight is that when you search for push-ups on VidIQ, you'll notice that a video titled Push-ups for Beginners receives 26,000 monthly searches. Moreover, if you search for how to do push-ups, you'll find that it receives 46,685 monthly searches on YouTube. In addition, there are other popular search terms such as push-up workouts and push-up challenges. VidIQ also provides insights into common questions like how to do push-ups for beginners, and how to do more push-ups. The key takeaway here is that there is a huge demand for push-up related content with hundreds of thousands of searches every month. By creating such content consistently, and with the help of ChatGPT and other softwares, you can create high-quality videos quickly and leverage affiliate marketing to monetize your channel. This presents a massive opportunity for you to succeed on YouTube in 2023. So now that we know what type of video we want to create, we need to use OpenAI.com to access ChatGPT and generate the scripts for our videos. This powerful software is going to be our key to creating these videos quickly and easily. So let's dive in and see how it works. I spend a substantial amount of money on website scripts, channels, etc. However, ChatGPT is a revolutionary tool that can produce exceptional scripts within seconds. Simply direct it and let it do the work. To access this feature, visit openai.com, scroll down, and click on Try ChatGPT. Currently, when you scroll down, the impressive thing is that it's free to use during the beta stage. However, it's likely that this won't last as they're bound to start charging for it in the future, particularly with the number of users they have. Therefore, it's essential to seize the opportunity while it lasts. After accessing ChatGPT, select Try ChatGPT, which will direct you to a new page. On this page, the next step is to instruct the software to generate the desired scripts. To save time, I have done some research and can guide you through this process. So I'm going to open up my notepad, and the initial instruction for ChatGPT is to write a YouTube script on the topic of the benefits of doing push-ups every day. Copy and paste this prompt into the software. Next, I will disclose our next prompt. Copy the prompt and close the prompt window. Then paste it in the designated area on the page and click on it. The software will begin generating the script for us. The fascinating aspect of this process is that it can create an entire script automatically, as shown below. The generated script begins with, "Hello and welcome to our channel," which you can alter to your channel's name. This demonstrates how the software can craft an impressive script for us. The resulting script will provide insight into the benefits of performing daily push-ups and what changes will occur in your body. After the software finishes generating the first script, the next prompt is to create a script detailing the steps for performing push-ups. This script will explain to your audience how they can execute proper push-ups. The first script covered the benefits of push-ups, while the second one will demonstrate how to perform them correctly. The second prompt is to create a script containing tips on how to perform push-ups effectively. Once ChatGPT finishes generating the first script, you can click on the second prompt and paste it into the designated area. Then click on the icon again to begin generating the second script. The resulting script will demonstrate the proper steps for executing push-ups correctly. The generated script will educate your audience on how to perform push-ups in a safe and effective manner, presented in a step-by-step format, numbered from 1 to 5, and so on. Once you're satisfied with the generated script, the next step is to add more information to make the video more engaging and informative. The next prompt is to generate a weekly workout routine for push-ups, providing structure and organization for your audience. Simply copy the prompt and return to the ChatGPT page, paste it into the prompt box, and initiate the script generation. This generated script will provide a structured workout plan for your audience to follow, boosting engagement and promoting healthy exercise habits. After initiating the script generation, ChatGPT will generate a weekly workout routine for push-ups, providing a comprehensive plan for your audience to follow. This script, along with the other two generated scripts, will result in an amazing video that requires little to no effort from you. The power of ChatGPT allows you to quickly and easily generate high-quality content for your website or social media channels. You come over here and we'll click on this tiny icon to look at this right now. It will now provide us with other push-up variations to choose from. You can see that we have a range of push-up variations here, including wide grip push-ups, close grip push-ups, diamond push-ups, etc. Now that we have everything we need, we can put together a video and upload it to YouTube. Men's Health is another resource when it comes to general health. So, in order to show you how you're going to get that, just make sure you keep watching because I'm going to put everything together for you. I'll also show you an amazing affiliate program that a lot of people talk about and that definitely sells, and people are making as much as $200 per sale with videos like this. And like I mentioned, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button to show your support. You should also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification settings so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. As a result, ChatGPT has produced this incredible new script for us. We now need to transfer this script to another AI program so that it can produce the complete video for us. And that is it for now. The tutorial will continue in the next part, as I want you to first recreate everything I made here in this tutorial and practice more. As soon as you think you are ready for part 2, then you can watch the video tutorial from the links below. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more similar content. Also, don't hesitate to leave your feedback or suggestions in the comments section below. We appreciate your support and can't wait to see you in the next video. This is that AI Ninja signing off.